In this video, we are going to see and resolve the problem that whenever you're trying to click on shutdown on your laptop in Windows 11 or Windows 10, it doesn't work. So when you click on it, nothing happens. Let's find out a quick solution for this. So there are multiple methods that you can try. First of all, just go to start menu, right here, run. And right here, let me just zoom it, power cfg.cpl. Hit OK. And you click on choose what the power button does. Then click on change settings that are currently unavailable. And just make sure to uncheck this option. That is turn on fast startup. Just uncheck this and click on save changes. And that's it. After that, you can try restarting or clicking on the shutdown on your Windows and it should work. But if not, you can try the other method, that is writing a CMD in the start menu, right click, run as administrator, click yes. Let me zoom it a little bit so that you can see everything clearly. And right here, power CFG, give a space H and write off. Hit enter. And after that, just try hitting shutdown and it should work for you. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is a simple solution on how you can resolve this issue. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.